Well, good afternoon. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I am so glad you're able to join me again today. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Today, we are going to make honey glazed chicken breast in the oven. And there's so many ways you could do this. If you wanted to cut up your chicken, you can do that. If you wanted to fry your chicken, you can do that as well. There's many ways you can do it, but the main ingredient I'm going to use is some bacon wrapped up on my chicken breast before it goes into the oven. And then we're going to top it off with our honey glazed sauce. So without further ado, let's get this party started. So these are the ingredients we would need. I have 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to use some applewood smoked bacon, but you can use any type of bacon. I would just recommend that you use the thin slice and not the thick slices. We need salt, honey, soy sauce, butter, garlic, black pepper, and sugar. So let's go ahead and get this seasoned. So what we're going to do first is season our chicken, salt and pepper. And we don't want to overdo it because you know bacon is salty by itself. So be lenient on the amount of salt that you use. You know, I'm not really a salt lover, so. And then we're going to top it with some pepper. Just like that. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take our bacon and then we're going to wrap it around the chicken. So what we're going to do is probably use about 2 to 3 slices on the chicken. We're just going to take it from the top. Get this piece unfolded here. And we're just going to wrap it as such. Just take it around the chicken. Now you definitely want to layer it at the top, see? Just layer it. Bring it back around. Grab you another slice. Lay that right there for right now. Take that back side. I'll move this up some. Right where it ended, we're just going to start again. And wrap. Now I do have the oven set at 350. If you want to cook it at a higher temperature, that's totally up to you. As you know from my previous videos, I normally cook everything on 350 normally. It just takes a little longer, but that's okay. We have time. Doesn't it look so pretty so far? And we're going to do the same for the next one. And voila. That's how it should look. I know we're missing a little piece back there, but that's okay. We will improvise, you know, that's my favorite word. I'm out of pieces of bacon. So this is the finished product before it goes into the oven. Doesn't that look delicious so far? Let me wash my hands. Now your other option is to also, you can stuff these chicken breasts and then wrap them in bacon. I think next week I will probably do a video on stuffed chicken breasts. Need to oil my pan before I put them in there. Switch places here. I just used some Pam for the bottom of this pan. And I'm just gonna pick this up and layer it right in there, just like that. Yes, yes, yes. This is going to be delicious. Okay, so this is how it looks before it goes into the oven. All we did is seasoned it with salt and pepper and wrapped the bacon. We have it set for 350. We're going to do this for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'll tell you the exact time when I come back. Okay, so since the chicken is in the oven, we are now going to make our sauce in this pan back here. And I will always leave the ingredients in the bottom in the description area so you'll know exactly how to make this. We're going to turn this on. I get the right burner here. Just a medium, and let the butter melt. Now, of course, you can make more of this, but because we're using bacon, I don't want to overdo it. I just want to add like a sweet taste to the chicken on top of the bacon. So I think this will be sufficient. I have about 3 tablespoons in here of butter. Now that that butter is heated up, I'm just going to take a little bit of garlic here. About a teaspoon, nothing extravagant. Just going to give that a stir. I may use a little bit more butter. I'm going to use about 4 tablespoons, okay? And that should be ample for us. There we go. After all, we do want the sauce to coat both pieces of the chicken breast. Just gonna let that simmer. And feel free to use regular garlic. If you want to use the garlic cloves, that's fine. See how that's coming to slight bubbles there? That should be sufficient. Use about 1/8 cup of sugar. Give that a stir as well. Use about a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm eyeballing this, so it just smells so good so far, y'all. Smells good. See how that's coming to a bubble? Oh, that smells so good. Turn this down on low. Now we're ready to add our honey because you see those bubbles in there. We don't want to add too much honey, okay? Maybe about a teaspoon. And again, I eyeballed it, so. Oh, this smells good. Oh, that smells good. I need to get a close-up so your eyes can see that. Look at that glaze. Does that sauce not look good? We are definitely ready to eat. As soon as this chicken come out the oven, we're gonna coat it and then we're gonna taste it. I'll be back shortly. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here's our chicken breast wrapped with bacon, fresh out the oven. Does that not look delicious? I don't even have the glaze on it yet. Look at that chicken. I did check the temperature. It is over 165, so we know it's definitely done. It's been in the oven about an hour and 15 minutes. These breasts was pretty large, so I did let it sit in there a little longer. But I know they are juicy. So let me go ahead and get the glaze on top of it, and we can go ahead and sample it. So this is our glaze. It tastes really good, you guys. I kid you not. It tastes really good. You can taste all the flavors. So I'm just going to brush this on the chicken. As such. Oh, look at that. Woo, Jesus, thank you. I love cooking for y'all. And we still have ample enough sauce. So if you're making 4 chicken breasts, the amount of sauce that we made today, I think that will be ample. I did make me a small salad that I'm going to eat this with. So I'm going to transfer this. Oh my goodness, this looks delicious. I want to get a good close-up for you guys. Does that not look delicious? Oh, I'm ready to dig in. Without further ado, let's do it. Okay, I'm ready to sit down and grow up with you guys. So on my salad, I'm going to use some Greek vinaigrette. Pour that on there. I'm going to let y'all sample this. Oh my goodness, y'all. It looks delicious. Let me try to zoom in on you. Can you see that? Oh my, does that not look good? Look at that. Oh my. Does that, see the glaze on there? Oh, it's gonna taste so delicious. Just the camera here. There we go. Now, oh, Jesus. That's juicy, y'all. Oh my. Y'all know that's juicy. Can you see it? Oh, look. That glaze is gonna do wonders. Look. You get a bite? Look at that sausage dripping off of there. Yum, yum. Lord, today. This is a recipe to try. I kid you not. This is a recipe to try. And you know what? With that applewood bacon that we use, that smoked bacon, it's setting it on fire, y'all. I ain't joking. It's setting it on fire. Oh, look at that. And I think in actuality, probably didn't even need any salt at all. But you know, I can pick up on salt very quickly. So with this bacon being already salty, I probably could have bypassed the salt. But I tell you what, it's very, very flavorful. Flavorful? It's good. Look at that. Lord help me. Y'all. I am not kidding you. You have to try this recipe, okay? Please try this recipe. If you have never ever made it, it is delicious, okay? Simple, easy, quick to do. Any day of the week, you can have you a good meal. Any side dish that you want with it, macaroni and cheese, sweet potatoes, greens. Oh, this is so delicious, y'all. So, now if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell next to it so you will be notified on my next upload. So until then, God bless you. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.